CISCOMPASS. On the Scottish Rolls!
Hey guys, and so we visit to one of my favourites, some awesome Schindler M series, which really interesting. And this is on the weekdays. These are M series. They have M series indicators, which I skipped. Why do they have these generic indicators as well? It just makes sense. So yes, they do, which logic. This is awesome fast. Looks like it looks like. So let's go 3. Lightning, timing, kick. This is awesome Schindler M series. Capacity fighting girls about kilograms. About 3. And I think it says the D. Wow, it has a P on every floor. That's really you see. Let's go down by pressing this. This awesome animation happens. Are you going to ground, sir? Yep. So it's going to ground. Yeah, that is just nice. Yes, this goes all the way 100 kilograms. Ground. And look at this awesome animation. And the best part is it keeps on going. That's it.
Okay, these are the lifts in the government building. 2 indicators, that's weird. Lift. Let's see the highest above floors. 3. Oh, we can go to 2. That's weird. Lightning time. Cap. Hi guys. Indicator. This is the fastest. 6.9 kilograms. When you're out, let's go. Hands. Oh, there we are. Takes a bit of pushing. Indicator again. Okay, so we can't go to 3. So that's locked. Elsa's channel was filming these lifts before. Really awesome 90 shows. Watch it go. And it keeps scrolling. Yeah, you can see over here, and that's it.